kata skundero mar Aero Girls kata skund nyiri mar Aero bende nyaka sani na achiel kuom skunde monyalo wacho ni dhi telo ne county nero mar Kisumu e tukegi e kinde ma idhi gogi e alwora ma Homa Bay ma be gin tuke machakore kanyo tarik 7 ka nyaka sani gin tukego eko ma Ikruok osebedo kendo wadwa winjo ni to wuodhgi nobedo machalo nade ma gichopo kama gichopo kae. Omiyo studio ka an gi welo ariyo mawuok e skund sekondar ma Aero Girls adhi miyo gi thuolo mar mondo mi wan mbeki kotenore gi weche machalo kama. Kachako kodi mwalimu machiegni kendo inyalo fayo ne janeno marwa kata mondo mi iyangri no malongo.
Erokamano, asante kwa kutukaribisha hapa. Ka wacho nyinga iluonga ni Japuonj Tom Odundo. I'm the team manager Aero Girls. Wabiro gi colleague Bobro introduce himself. I'm very much happy to be here and aparo na tego mbaka maber kalore gi weche tuke kaka wasewuotho.
Erokamano Mr. Odundo. Bathe koni bende wan gi wendo machielo ma bende embadhi miye thuolo mondo mi oyangreno. Machiegni Kala TV nyalo fayo ne janeno marwa mondo mi inyiswa ni to chal nade.
Erokamano for the opportunity to be here. Gi nyinga iluonga ni Ibrahim Omondi, joma ng'eyo ni The Rule. I'm japuonj Aero Girls and also a coach of that Aero Girls team. Again, another way maber throughout the program and then we'll see what next.
Yes, The Rule kaka iwacho ni en achiel kuom nyaka sani tuke dhi nyime kendo ang'eyo ni Ikruok osebedo. Team nero kata kwachako gi tuke mag school gi kata mag skunde. Inyalo nyisowa ni to wuodhu gi school mar Aero Girls nyaka kama ochopeni no chakore nade mondo mi uchop mugike regionals?
Okosebedo mayot lakini waseng'ang'ana. Throughout our route we started building the team, that is last year. Nwachako loso team, we were looking for talent, we nurture them, we mold them into some people who can be better in the future. Lucky enough, by last year, we players who can represent Aero Girls at the higher level. Negichako represent Aero Girls a zonal level, whereby it was played at Njiko High School. Throughout the group stages, semis to the final, they never lost. They never even conceded a goal, and yet they scored 36 goals, and they become victors of the zonal levels. Kasanagidi mbele for the sub-county, whereby for the sub-county Benol to be at Njiko High School. Newa tire a pool achiel gi St. Camalas kod Kanyangoro. Game mokwongo ne gigo gi St. Camalas ne giwin 8-0. Game mar ariyo ne gigo gi Kanyangoro ne giwin 2-0. Then ne proceed to the semis, whereby ne girado gi Ayucha Girls. They won 7-0 at the semis. Then they proceeded to the final. Manegirado gi Kochogo Girls. The game wasn't easy, it was tensed. But they managed to be victors by winning by 1-0. And then they proceeded to the county level. At the county level, they been drawn in the same pool with Sigoti Girls. By that time, nobody hyped no tech. Mawinyo kasamara moromono ngisonyi piwa nebi there do Sigoti to negi tense matis. Ni punde mawinyo ni Sigoti tech. Koro neon gi Sigoti ne wan gi Lela, kaso ne wan gi Nyakoko be. Game 1 ne girado gi Lela, ne giwin 2-0. Game 2 ne girado gi Nyakoko, ne giwin 2-1. In fact, that was the first goal manigi concede nyaka ne gichak competition against Nyakoko. Also game 3, they won against that Sigoti 2-1. It was a comeback, by the way. Yeah. Kasto semis Noarado gi St. Barnabas at Onchiko High School Pitch B. We won 2-0. Then finally we met Nyakach, and then we lost. They say it was a heavy loss.
Yes.
But we have our reason for that case, and we know why we lost that heavily.
Yes.
So Noabilo number 2, Bangbed number 2 to qualify for the regional. Then we've been preparing for the regional Nyakasani. We hope we are going to present Kisumu County very well at the regional level.
Yes, Mr. Tom Korka, Kadugo Korka Kori, in kaka team manager mar school. Wanyalo wacho ni uchako building kata uchako gedo ne tuke mag school games. Kinde mane ugedo yudo ka nitiere weche ma osebedo mang'eny mar jotugo ma agombo mondo mi ilernwa wach mar jotugo miwacho ni tie jotugo moko ma are legible to gi moko ma are ineligible ma nyalo tugo gi jotugo go ma ok nyal tugo school mar Aero Girls nikech be ing'eyo ka nitiere weche mag ringo dhi do oduogo bedo ma ineno ka skunde ringo sana higa ni wanyalo wacho ni skunde ng'eny gi tugo ka tugo kata level ka level ne ji ringo ka dhi do ang'o makelo ma kaka team manager ne skunde mag Sekondar inyalo lero noma.
Kamano aparo ni gima nyakwa yiere ni we must allow nyithindo mondo tugi nyithindo ma are rightfully nyithindo. Osebedo ni nitie jok moko madwa tiyo gi shortcuts madwa tugo gi nyithindo ma nosetieko school. Wan gi chike matayo weche tuke kaka body mochung ne high school games iluongo ne Kenya Secondary School Sports Association. Gima kelo wach mar ineligibility gi ng'ato dwaro no tugi nyithindo ma are not qualified. I think it's basically jok madwaro shortcut and short-term success. I was also faced with that case mar jomoko ne feel or negin ni jotukwa were not legible.
Yes.
I had 2 cases. There was appeal that was lodged against us by St. Barnabas. Gimano timore ni it was issue of documentation. We were told like last year there's players that were supposed to be in the portal, which we did. Corona timore ni during downloading the PDF, those 2 players were skipped. I don't know how the system skipped them. Of course, we presented that case and we were able to prove that they are legible students, and we played. Is related to that also. I think the girls' football is attracting a lot of attention now, and gima osebedogi just to appreciate ni nyithindo manyiri benyalo mpira.
Okay, mana gi kami wacho ni the girls football is attracting attention. To king'iyo gima gini minyalo wacho ni kelo lokruok mondo mi ji ochak neno tuke gi eki mag wakeni. Kech king'iyo kaka johera dhi e pap, king'iyo tuke mag wakeni opogore kaka johera mag ng'iyo tuke mag adhula mag yawuoyi. En ang'o ma inyalo wacho ni osekelo change momiyo ji sani chako lokore mar neno tuke mag wakeni?
Kamano aparo ni osebedo ni kelo lokruok maduong' kabisa en kochakore gi I think federation, Kenya Football Federation gi play a very big role in embracing the girls' talent, and even currently the under 17 are in South Africa to play World Cup qualifiers. You also remember ne Igamokalo there was World Cup that the under 17 participated. Koro ma yudo ka miyo ji kechka, for example, school kaka Nyakach Girls, wan gi Kobala, yudo ka players gi are part of the national team. Koro ka wach kata ni Ahero Girls be nyathine wuok odhi e national team. Yudo ka johera mag adhula wanyo adwaro nyathi manene TV ni now in real sense. Koro mae gima yudo ni almost every school now dwaro ni giket nyithindgi level ma they can also compete locally and nationally.
Okay. Ka duogo kuomi coach, ineno ka odiochieng' ma kawuono nitiere tugo madhi nyime mar World Cup qualifiers mar under 17 junior starlets mabe chakore saa 10. In kaka coach Ikruok mane wanyalo wacho ni tuke machalo mag World Cup qualifiers gi itiego nyithindo go kuma wakeni to geno mar wakeni gi kata nyithindo gi en ni mondo mi gimbe giyud thuolo mar neno ni gichopo oluong gi national team. Kaka Ahero Girls mondo mi itim ikruok mineno ni timbi ochopo e level midhi e regionals. Gin ang'o gini mane ikale kata yot mage mane yudo to gi pek mage mane neno e kinde mane itayo team mari mar wakeni ni kata mar Ahero Girls mondo mi ichope level ma qualify for the regional games.
Kamano kachako gi strength, no?
Yes.
Kachako gi strength like yot maseneno, and we were blessed to have talented players. One thing more determined, man can play football. Or any kind of drills, any kind of tactics, any kind of training, midamiogi, you do kagi pick up. Koromano se bedo ka konya nikech kamiogi drill ni to ki pick up kaso gi imply a game situation. Kaso do ka korwa win games easily. According to Peck must be go recently and about this the wrangles in schools winjoni skunde wang koro at a point no chopo ma koro due to the safety of the students they were to be sent back home because of that influence in the young students. Koro for our chief principal, which we appreciate, no safety is important. And think about the bedala for some time. But to our surprise, also the footballers also went home. Koro ngin mano pek mono yudo ka koro kanegi go from home. Negi do from home like a day before the competition mar counties. Koro yudo ka no an gi pek mar mono michaki get fitness kum nyathi chicha mondo mi the two county games. Okay,
ma en a challenge ma inawacho ni uneno. Sani be king'iyo wadonge nalo mok tin abich to tuke gi chakore. Kinde ma nyithindo ya dala ne in kaka coach any ikruok mane miketo mar neno ni i loyo time kata i dhao gi seche manitie machuok mar neno ni yudo the best out of your students during regional games.
Nyithinda mak football no kodhi dala. Wasebedo kod ge school. Koro we've been training, been building from our weaknesses in county level. Koro out of that wasebedo wase improve a lot and we expect a lot for the regional. And then again for the World Cup qualifiers that we are talking about, we are proud as Ahero Girls that 3 of our players were noted to be rechecked for the selection for the national team.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, there are 3 girls that are in the radars for the national team. They are checking them. If they fit their level, then they will be called.
Mr. Tom, kaya dugo kumi. Oyudo kanyo ni in team manager mar school. Criteria mane mitiyo godo nikech in gi project mari ok en gima dhi rumo kawuono mar neno ni en criteria mane ma itiyo godo mar neno ni duoko maber miyudo ni idhi kode for a long time moko beda short term project ere kaka idwa criteria mane midwa tiyo godo recruiting players mondo mi ineni team obedo strong mondo mi coach obed gi tich mayot?
Erokamano. Mokwongo tich no nenga go ne jatendo erokamano kuom support mose miyo team. Recruitment okinyal timo without the blessings mar jatelo. To anytime wanyise ni wan gi need in terms of recruitment, she has always supported. Sani, we have players that we have identified. Of course, we also have players Madi Tieko. Like we have 2 girls who are very important in the team, Madi Tieko. We have identified replacements. Madi replaced Nogi. But again, most importantly, Sani, one gi tugo mitimo a junior school, grade 9. For the long-term project, we have grade 10. We have around 10 grade 10 students are also part of the team, even though they don't make a cut to the first 11. We have them come next year. They'll be very, very strong. Actually, our next year team is going to be very, very strong. Korwangi, the grade 9 that are being scouted, one grade 10, then one players must join one. Immediately after regionals, actually some of them should even join us as we proceed the regionals, though they will not participate, but they are one that we have scouted. Koro manogi kike to school and the team obedo something to do there now and even the future.
Okay. It ne project manotimo. In kaka team manager. Enango achiel minyalo wacho ni en ma is standing out, minyalo wacho ni in proud of timone Aero Girls e thuolo ma in team manager ni momiyo Aero Girls ochopo e level ma en team mar tugo.
One thing that I think makes me proud and we are able to nurture talents, especially ngeni nyithindo matuko mpira gi, most of them are coming from humble background. So one thing that I really take pride about and we are able to help nyithindo ma samoro nok nyal chulo fee and somo e skunde madongo ka Aero Girls. They are able to be part and parcel of that school and ginyalo somo at the same time gitugo mpira. So that is what really gives me joy. Kana no nyathi mane maybe was in a day school somewhere, koro nyalo biro somo a region it's a county school. That really gives me a lot of joy.
Coaches, ka wadugo kuomi, inyalo neno ka in kaka coach nitiere midhiero ma wanyalo wacho ni ikale e kinde ma itiego nyithindo manyiri e weche mag adhula. Nitiere wach moro ma wanyalo wacho ni biro ga ng'enyne kaka in japuonj. Ere kaka balance bedo japuonj mar class to gi balance weche go eko mag tayo adhula e school?
Okosebedo mayot. Kwanza anan japuonj mar maths gi chem. Tingeni kwano dwaro a lot of time with the other learners. Koro kuyudo ka every games onego bina bede pap gi the footballers. We are training. Then after that immediately onego bini chaki duogo for the consultation for the mathematics practice or the mathematics of time or chemistry. Okosebedo mayot lakini wasayudo kwa balance. We just make the local arrangements. Ithia Aero Girls ano sengiyo ni Mr. Ibrahim kidwa manye to kinya yude games time. Games time wadhi bedo gi footballers. Koro gisengiyo already a time maginyalo nwanga. Koro we've specified a time mar consultation for the mathematics, man for the classwork. Maging'eyo ni Mr. Ibrahim kidwa yudo it is this time. Koro gibiro that time to ginwanga. Then for the footballers we normally work with them during the games time. Koro kamano kosebedo ka balance.
Mr. Dundo, nitiere jatugo namba 12. To jatugo namba 12 ni tuke mag skunde wanyalo ni gisebedo ka gin gi positive impact to gi negative. Kata kamano yudo ka thothne negative impact wuoke. E kinde skunde, tuke mag skunde nitiere gino ma waluongo ni arita. To arita ni okosebedo maber e skunde. sama jotugo tugo yudo ka johera ma en jatugo namba 12 oringo donje pap winjo ni tugo moro kethi ere kaka ma affectu kaka institution kata kaka school manigi jotugo sama johera odonje pap ere kaka gini affectu
it's a challenge, especially because in any nyithindo manyiri or the female gender is usually very vulnerable in terms of cancer some chaos. I usually want to challenge and call upon the security, mano police, the body organized and the ministry mondo gi ensure that any like Canon county games there are very few security personnel. Koro mondo wa ensure that there's learner safety unago beni there are so many security personnel to ensure that the learner safety is guaranteed. Onyalo affect like if a student is injured in that fracas, there's a time before I think 2 years ago the ministry used to have something called Edu Afya nine nyathi tuo kate school tidhi thiedhe. The program I think was halted by the new administration. Koro sani ka nyathi oinyore in that kind of scenario to chunoni school tiyo ga lot of money to treat the student or the player. Koro mano bedo a very big burden if in case it happens, but thank God girls football can usually contentious kakamar men, but even if that happens maybe nyathiwa inyore in that manner. Koro onyalo affect school to a bigger extent in terms of medication.
Mr. Ibrahim korka kodi kaka coach iyudo ka iseiko team iseiko squad kendo idwaro mondo mi tugo chakre to isenge maber ni wadhi tuge venue ma Kisumu National Sports Ground kanye man udhi tuge tikoni kodong dakika 10 ni due to insecurity okwadhi tugo kanyo tugo ni ochore nyaka mbele. Team machalo kama mar weche tulo kata insecurity ma choro tuke ere kaka affect un kaka coaches to preparation mar team ere kaka affect
team mar tulo ma choro tuke mbele gi interfere gi psychology mar players. Yido ka players se prepare psychologically no tugo to then abruptly biro ngisenia nikoro kwa tuka uono abro tugo maybe in the next 3 days. Yido ka moral moro manero rocha dog pin koro the next day koro kidoro ke pap yido ka moral manero rocha koro dog pin koro konel perform the same manner money we no perform on the previous day. Koro kwa ni mondo mi the relevant bodies look into it or make sure ni tulo ma wuok football mar school games they can be minimized as much as possible. If they cannot be extinguished, they should be minimized. Get interfere with psychology mar players by the time akoro itero nyithinde pap yudo ka moral mane gido godo cha kuro gionge godo.
Tulo ni ming'ene chakorega ka tuke go chopo e county level emido ka ng'ene tulo gi chakore kendo anyalo wacho ni tension chako medore. To un kaka jogo ko ma ochung'ne adhula e skundeu ntiere un gi training grounds ma utime tiegruok ponono ni okoni sani kaka tugo manotugi e kind Agai modhi tug Chavakali ogol tugo e county mowinjo bed ni tuge tere county machielo kochopo situation makoro udwa chako tugo maonge fans madhi bedo gi impact mane ne team wachni oti kode kaka yor geng'o tulo oteru e pap ma ok udhi yude johera monyalo wacho ni home support maere kaka affect a team mane un godo mwalimu Tom.
Yes, apparently football is meant for entertainment. That is the basis of tugo mpira. It is supposed to entertain the fans. However, the players, we must also know nyaka wayiere ni tugo gi nyithindo mapod tindo. They are minors. These minors, their security and safety is paramount more than the entertainment mar funds. So regardless of funds bedo entertained or not, nyaka wa consider the learner safety. Maka learner safety is not guaranteed, then the venue doesn't matter. We cannot, because in any funds gigene magi compromise safety mar learners. Koporo ni safety mar learners oknyal bedo guaranteed at any given field, then the venue doesn't matter. Mano, that is my stand, and that is even the stand of the ministry.
Mr. Ibrahim, ka kapok wang'iyo ikruok ma uketo ne tuke mag regionals gi, nitiere gimoro kama anyalo wacho ni agombo mi ilernwa. Jatugo ng'ene appeals ne biro kata mako bura ne biro ni jatugo is not eligible kata en eligible kotenore gi tuke gi. En thuolo maromo nade maka jatugo wuok e skul moro to winjo bed ni obedo registered e skul machielo mobed eligible ne tugo ne tuke ma next? To criteria mage winjo bed ni luwo mondo mi uyud jatugo ma is fully registered for the school?
Mondo mi ki transfer nyathi mondo mi obed eligible to play, nyaka obed ni osebedo e school no 90 school going days. Ok ndalo moko ma school olor kama go kwan. Kono ndalo ma school dhi mbele 90 days. Ma ka competition chakore ga by second term, you know, that 90 days rule applies like the previous year, November by 15th. That was normally the deadline. Ma oketga mondo mi transfer nyathi mondo bedo eligible to play the next year season. Then it is normally exceptional for this year. It was exceptional to grade 10s in case ginto no join by January. Go for the grade 10s by January. If they join by January, they just eligible to play because it is not a transfer. It's a student from the lower level education.
Okay.
Yeah.
Parona nyalo medo gimoro kanyo.
Yes.
Eligibility also has to do with the right age. The players that the competition allows for under 19. Korenyado ka maybe there's a girl or a student who is maybe 20 years or 19, but then again onyalo meet 90 days rule. Mano is also considered to be ineligible. So we have coming to school at the right time with the right age. Then we also have a case maybe nyathi moro timo penj form for this year. To feel ni nyathi ni atiyo kode. Chik oko yena tiyo kode the next year. Oko yene go to the repeating year. Kuruma are some of the things people know but they ignore.
Wachomo Homa Bay. Kendo tuke gi chakore tarik 7. In kaka manager mar team. Ikruok mane muketo to geno mane mowinjo nyithi sikul kata joera mag adhula maneno mpich Aero Girls obed godo kuom?
Anyalo wacho ni wan gi coaches we have tasked the team to be in shape. Mr. Ibrahim, we have the other Ibrahim. We also have other external coaches that we've been using. Karasani angene gine the team. Mano is one. Then 2, we are also banking on support from the county and also our head of institution, the principal. We are in a technically tough pool. We have been pulled against Ikruok, Magina Girls, and there's a team from Kisii, I think Mobamba.
Yes.
It's a very tough pool, but I think we're going there. People maybe would, like when you're going to the counties, people thought that maybe Sigoti and Nyakoko would make the cut to that pool. So we went to the counties as underdogs. We're also going to the regionals as underdogs, and they will be surprised that we are not underdogs.
Coaches, idi kama idhi rado gi Ruak Girls e pool maintie, idhi rado gi timbe mopogore opogore e grubni. To expectation mari ok onyal wacho ni udhi as underdogs nikech u qualify mondo mi uchopi, ok ubatisha. Gin ang'o minyalo wacho ni idwa timo mondo mi kata target mari gi grubni, nikech tactics to kinya konowa, mano kikonowa to chal ka gima ikwalo ne jomoko penj. Yes, expectations magi as a coach e pool A mauntie.
You know, as a coach, expectation will be just the maximum. Lakini according to our pool, we are just relying on one thing, going one game at a time. Kaka won wadirado gi Luak, the girls should just focus on Luak. Kwatiko gi Luak, tomorrow is Magina. We just focus on the tactics for the Magina. Kwatieko, the next day Mobamba. The girls, we show them the video, the clips for Mobamba, previous games, the tactics how we are going to use, then we face Mobamba.
Okay. Iwacho kanyo, iwuoyo about Magina girls. King'iyo kaka Magina no tugo regional games, county games, county ma Homa Bay, ma is one of the team ma ko concede goal county level. Kibiro nini Aero girls yudo kanu loyo gonde mang'eny. Manyisa ngo sama udhi rado kit timbe ariyo gi.
Timbe ariyo, we expect a tough match. Defensive wise they are good. Attacking wise we are good. Attacking wise they are good. So you know, a game is 3 ways. We wait for the result and then we'll see. Just wait for that day. We play against Magina and then we'll see the result.
Kaka coach, nitiere games ma kwang'iyo county ma Homa Bay, nitiere kind Kobala kod Magina. To king'iyo tugo ni aparo ni tugo minyalo build on as a coach ma ne this side. Magina no be a surprise ne Kobala, bang goyo Kobala finals. Matino ka expect gima notimore. Is inyalo wacho ni the same thing should be gima expect gi Aero girls. Miracle moro nitie koso nitie kaka Aero girls oikora ika specifically ni gidhirado gi team machalo kama.
Actually, give me what you need. Most of them were not expecting that. I'm not part of that. Most of them. Nilikuwa nawaambia watu Magina digo Kobala, because checking on the tactics of the Kobala, they prefer the short passes. Then Magina prefer those the wide. Then that's how they scored. And then you see Kobala didn't concentrate on that. I'm not allowed to talk about that.
Yeah.
But let me just say, Mimi, I was not among those most who did not expect Magina to beat Kobala. Mimi, actually, nilikuwa naambia coaches wangu tukiwa field, nilikuwa naambia lingine Magina dhiko Kobala. And then it happened. So therefore, mimi nikienda kukutana na Magina, I expect any result.
Yeah.
We just expect any result. Either I lose, draw, or win.
Mr. Tom, yes. Kadugo kumi kaka team manager. Angeni samoro nen tugo mano wasewe lakini pod wanyalo uwe nikech wa build on it. Nitie tugo mano bede kind Nyakach girls, Gaero girls. Ginango ginima positive minyalo golo from that result. To ginango ma negative mana nene result no ma idwa build to ere kaka idwa build gi.
Anyalo wacho ni game wagi Nyakach girls psychologically, because kind of clear players, one of my key players was the one under contention, so we had even to go there and log in the portal for her to be cleared. So psychologically I think it weighed down on the team. Then secondly, we had our flanks, the right back and the left back, were injured, and therefore we had to do some off-fielding. That one affected. Actually, those are the two areas that Nyakach girl really exploited: right back, left back position. despite that, I'm happy that my girls, actually I was telling them that, you know, you're going to play a national team, because even that team of Nyakach has very many girls that have, even Genevieve, their former captain, has played World Cup. So I was telling them that, you know, this girl has played World Cup. So that one alone, the fact that they could play against those world I can call them world champions, because they have played at an international level. That one is I think it is something that I got positive about it. We were able to, actually, the first goal that we conceded really tormented the whole play. I do not consider the first goal. It was a balance. Actually, it was a balanced match. Despite the outcome of those results, I can say that those two challenges, the two fielding of those right back and right back, really affected us. But one girl is recovered, the other one is not very much recovered, and I think we are ready to compete.
Coaches ka watie katika wechegi to nitire pool ma nyalo wacho ni pool B kamoting'o Kobala to ting'o Nyakach, mane pod wang'iyo pool A ma untiere. Generally e tuke mag wakeni, ang'o minyalo wacho kotenore gi timbe ma qualify mochopo e regionals e county ma midhi tug Homa Bay?
Timbe mondo mi ng'ato win county, moting county, or they represent county at the regional level, then you cannot underrate that team. We expect very tough and organized teams at the regional level. We are not going to underlook or overlook anybody. We are going to face opponent one at a time. Because Kaneno Grubwa, Magina, they are good, organized. Luak, they are really intense. With their short passes, the game will be very, very intense. Mobamba, I don't know much about them, but I've watched their 2 matches. They're also not bad, they're good. The other group, you know, obviously Nyakach is good. Kobala is good. And then the other one from Migori, Ulanda is also a good team. And Masosa plays a Division 2 league, so we expect that mental, that maturity in their players. So meaning we expect a mature team at that Masosa, and then obviously will be good.
Okay, Mr. Tom, in kaka team manager, nitiere gima wanyalo wacho ni miyoga timbe moral, kendo kaka sani kwang'iyo tuke mag skunde sekondar gi, sani nitiere sponsorship ma wanyalo wacho ni ne osewuok ma gidhi bedo sponsored gi bengi mar KCB. To kiweyo mano e level mag chope mar regionals, kiweyo mano kwa duogo ka nitiere gimoro kae ma wacho ni otimore king'iyo county ma Kisumu, ne wan gi generally football kata mar joma chuo koro, ne wan gi new champions mane en Maseno. Level ma Maseno tugo kata ma ginyiso this time round to gi level ma school ma Ringa onyiso, nitiere connection between Michael Olunga to gi these schools. Korka skunde mar Wakein adula mar nyiri, sponsorship kata support ma wuok kuom former players machalo kaka Olunga sani wanyalo wacho ni o sponsor Maseno, en gi players ne mani Maseno, moko ni Ringa. Ere kaka in kaka manager, gin gik mage mitimo mar neno ni girls bende ochopo level ma uyudo sponsors, ma unyalo wacho ni player wa ma specific ubedo sponsored gi jatugo machalo kama, koro wan bende ma nyalo benefit wa as a school?
Anyalo wacho ni because in any these people, the sponsors would want to identify with the champions. We have not competed to a higher level previously in Odonga counties, sub-counties. Now that we have set the standards at regionals, our sponsors will come. I know they will come. Unfortunately, Kisumu County, we don't have those people that really identify with these talents. king'iyo kitamo kata ng'iyo kaka Homa Bay County. I can tell you Homa Bay County, those people love and support their teams. You know, Kale Collins come from Homa Bay County. He has done a lot for those teams. I know that there's some even NGOs that support teams like Sai, formerly Alara, they used to support. We have some link at KDF that supports Kobala. So you can mention very many teams. Currently we also have Magina. I know there's a hand in sponsorship at Magina Girls. But if you come to Kisumu at level Manyakach, we expect that there should be a lot of sponsorship, which is not happening. So I think Kisumu County is still not really doing well in terms of sponsorship.
Okay.
Yeah, but imagine we're the number one county in Nyanza. So number one is such from Kisumu, which means good things should come from Kisumu going to these other counties. So I call upon the sports leadership in the region to come out and support in terms of even training facilities, training gears and many others.
Okay. Mr. Ibrahim ka poki nisowa ni mogik kanyo to wan gi tuke madhi nyime sani mag World Cup. Ang'eni ka bende ji nigi paro mopogore opogore. I support team mane mokwongo e World Cup?
Messi.
German.
Messiah.
German.
I was supporting Argentina.
I support Argentina. For German.
This was just a gift.
A gift?
Yep.
Koya ir Harvard.
Mama.
Okay. From in Kotakori?
Mimi ni mtu wa Ureno.
Okay.
Portugal. Bruno
Very
Fernandes.
Koro kawuono udonjo at the right time. One ka gi jadek. To wanaro gini wakete e jadek gi. To wanaro a World Cup alone. Mr. Tom King, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, called Kylian Mbappe. Who is the GOAT? Let us narrate to the World Cup.
This World Cup was supposed to be Mbappe's edition. To me, I think for this World Cup.
Not this World Cup alone, for World Cups.
Or World Cups, then it's Messi. I'm CR7's fan, but Messi it is a painful thing that I have to say.
It's a painful truth.
Yeah, Messi is on another level.
Oh yes.
Obviously.
Messi.
Messi.
Because he's the World Cup all-time goal scorer. So
then among the three, he's the only one who that was lifted that cup.
That one.
Okay. What of Mbappe?
Mbappe still has time. Time is
Nikech
still
Kenyo, in terms of titles, Mbappe nigi one World Cup. Sindio?
Euro. He has 1 Euro.
He has one World Cup, 2018.
Oh yeah. Is it Euro or World Cup?
It was a World Cup.
Okay.
Was he playing?
He played.
Played.
So, kwa golo Mbappe. Hapa ni Cristiano, in as much as ni osebedo achiel kuom jotugo ma ng'ula, but a World Cup to wa kete piny. Okay, mana mapiyo coaches. World Cup ma wantie ni gina ng'o gini minya wacho ni omake wang'i gigo eko ma odhi as per your expectations gi gik moko gi expectations magi surprises mage minene World Cup ma 2022 2026 sorry.
The surprise is the points of the African teams. At the group stages, they were exemplary. They did good. I didn't expect that much, by the way. First of all, the representation at the World Cup went high. There were 10 from around 5, additional 5. And then again, their performance, only one was eliminated at the group stages.
Yes.
That was Tunisia.
Yeah.
And then, to my surprise, every other team is now going home except Egypt and Morocco.
Okay, just the kama ikete kono. In as a coach, nuntie gimoro mane waseng'iyo ka. Inyalo lero nwa ni gina ng'ombo miyo team nyalo bedo ni concede late goals nikech ma is a trend motimore gi African teams e World Cup. Ang'o ma nyalo wacho ni ochangia teams mag Africa concede goals late minutes and then ma duogo hinyogi. Except king'iyo tugo manyoro manyoni kind Argentina gi Cape Verde mane wacho ni nitie pogruok, but most of the teams manene ka gonde gi logi the last minutes ema gi concede most of the African teams.
Two things may cause that. I call it the late concentration. The concentration at the last minute really matters. Can we maintain the shape up to the last minute? So we find out that they can maintain the shape, they can keep the pressure, they can endure, but they cannot endure up to the last minute. Unapata at a point wanapatikana off guard, like concentration ilikuwa imetoka tu, like hiyo ndio kitu inafanyikana na teams za Africa. Unapata at the late stage their concentration goes down, and then you see the Europeans, they take advantage of that. Wakipata tu your concentration goes down, and then you feel like now the game against Norway, I don't know which team played against Norway, the Haaland team, they played Ivory Coast. So you see that one, that game Ivory Coast is to win, but now because the concentration went down, and then they took the chance and then they punished. So look at the game of Senegal.
Yes.
2-0, and then I can a bit of it I can blame it on some minor sub that the coach did to remove Gueye, was it?
Yeah.
Then the compact in that midfield, the intensity in that midfield reduced, and then Belgium utilized that, and then
Mr. Tom, korka kori mana mapio pio ka e watch World Cup. Ang'o minyalo wacho ni omako wang'i, minyalo wacho ni ineno kodhi ni kaka idwaro kata odhi ni kaka idwaro mana mapio pio watch World Cup.
Gimomora World Cup is how the African teams performed. For the first time, African teams didn't concede many goals, and in fact they played very good football. To me, team Mora Kabesa and my positive pick from that World Cup as far as African team is concerned, DRC Congo. They have played well. In fact, if there's a team that ought to have proceeded to the next level, is that team, because they gave it their all. African football is coming up, and Angeoni next World Cup they will perform better than what they've done. What I have not liked about the World Cup, of course, there's nothing we can do about it, is the timing. The timing. You find that you want to watch Portugal at 2 a.m. it becomes difficult. So some good games we didn't watch because of the time zones.
Okay, coaches ka watieko wachni minyalo wacho kata kwaya minyalo gombo keto kotenore kata motelo ne tukego ko mag World Cup, kaito bidhi kawo thuolo ni mar wachni mogik gichieng' ma kawuono kotenore gi tuke mag skunde madhi timore Homa Bay.
Goyo kamano kuom luonga ka mondo me watwak about the soccer girls, the high school level. Gima temo kwayo en ni johera mar ball kodok korka tuke mek high school kik waket gi heart. Johera mag ball keto gi heart to inyo gi sani ni koro gi interfere nyaka gi play. They should just take it easy, and then they support the girls as well. Those who are supporting the boys, I will really request them to also start supporting the girls, because also the girls have the potential, they have that talent to showcase. Now those ones who are representing Kenya at South Africa right now, they have the talent. So just requesting them to also start supporting the girls. Then when it comes to our girls, personally now, the personal level, we are nurturing. We nurture, then we show to the world the kind of talent the girls can have. Koro wakwayo and personally na akwayo, I think also my colleague will agree with me, even the chief principal, because we are nurturing the talent, those who have talent and they should be seen at the higher stage, the upper levels. Our doors are opened. They should come to school. We discuss the personal level. We agree. Then we see how we can nurture their talents, and also those who can support the team. One thing I can see in Homa Bay is that every day I wake up to a news that Kobala girls have been given a uniform, Makina girls have been given a uniform. So I have been provided with 20 ball playing cons. That has never happened in this Kisumu County. So those in Kisumu County and the well-wishers, the Makbol, they should identify with the talent at Aero Girls, and then support bare minimum they can as we try to upbring their talent to the international level. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Tom Kokakori.
Just on Gimowacho, anyalo wacho ni because in any sports goes hand in hand with the new system of education, competency-based education. Or in line of that, we are really appealing to the people that can support those talents, either off school or in school. They are highly welcome. The other time, the governor aspirant Ken Obura donated sets of jerseys to all Nyando teams, all Kisumu teams that qualified for the county, which is a good thing. I wish that it even can start at even zonal level and even get those teams that qualify training gears, not just only the jerseys. And not forgetting the coaches, because a coach is like a teacher, so if you don't support the coach, there's that little there's that aspect of motivation. So as much as they want to identify with the students and the players, I think the coaches, even training, we have the FIFA training, coaching, those badges, the ones that are conducted during holidays. If we can get people that can even sponsor those teachers to go for those coaching badges, or even referring, it can be a very, very good thing. So that is what I can request.
Thank you. Janano Markala TV. En sechego ko kata ne wan temo ng'eyo ni to Ikruok oket machalo nade kotenore gi tukego ko mag skunde sekondar madhi nyime kata madhi chakore e kaunti no ma Homa Bay. Ka odiochieng' ma kawuono ne wan gi thuolo mar twak kod achiel kuom skunde go ko madhi tayo kata madhi telo ne kaunti no ma Kisumu tukegi mag wakeni mag adhula kaunti ma Homa Bay. Ka wamulo kanyo kendo waneno gigo ko ma osebedo katimore, winjo kanyo ka japuonj kata coach otemo golo kwayo kanyo, oywak ne johera mag adhula ma neno tukego ko mag nyithi skul. Kokwayo kanyo ni mondo mi giwe thuolo kata gichiw thuolo makare ne jopuonjregi manyiso were margi. Kik udonji, ang'eni adhula mit, inyalo donje, lakini ng'ini kapok adhi aketho tugo mar nyithindogi, lengo mara kata nyathini ne en gi paro mane mar miyo notugo tugoni. Koro wene gi uru thuolo mar neno ni gitugo tuke machalo kama. Elo Mr. Tom kod Mr. Ibrahim mabende ne wan godo ka gi jogo duto mane wakelo niko chenro ni kochakore kod producer mara Edith Rago lo nyawadwa Selfin bende mane wan godo chenro mar dag tuke. Wa akwayonu hawi maber kata awayi gi sani ni oriti kendo warad e chenro machalo kama juma manyien kama wabro neno ni to wang'iyo weche go eko mag adhula kata tuke mopogore opogore. Kama ni tai ne Nelson Kasuku oriti masani.